Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you a new pet that just came to Prodigy, so yeah, let's get into the video. Alright, so before you ask, I'm not 100% sure how to get this pet, but I have a fairly good idea. I'm pretty sure it's going to be in the Ultimate Member Box, because that comes every single season. So yeah, let's look at this one. It's pet number 183, it's called Jack-o-sprike, which means that it is probably Ultimate Membership pet because there is already a pet called Sprike. So it's just this kind of Sprike. It's only found in the fall and wears a pumpkin on its back to help protect itself. And here is Sprike for a comparison. So now we are going to look at its heart rate to damage ratio. It has 13,000 hearts. It's a plant element. It does Force Hurricane, which is a range of 2. Overgrowth, which is a range of 3, Spherical Crush, which is a range of 3, and Unlimited Power, which is a range of 3. I did not know Force Hurricane did a range of 2. So its power to health ratio, I'm pretty sure, would be 9 to 1. Wait, heart, yeah, it has 9 to 1 hearts to power. Okay, so now we are going to go into a battle with this pet, and I will show you the furniture that is also with the member box. So let's go ahead and battle the pumpkin. It's right down here. So there we go. And I don't think this is going to be powerful. I think it's going to be very unpowerful, like insanely bad. Alright, so let's use Forest Hurricane to start it off. That is 6 and 3. So we got the question right. So 2,203 damage. It might just be because we are battling a earth type, but I still don't think this is going to be powerful. I think this is a pretty bad pet overall. I'm pretty sure Scowly just did more damage than we did. Let's see if it does more damage. So we did 2,193. And let's see how much Scowly does. Okay, it missed, so we are going to have to get another chance. I have also not looked at the attack animation for this, so that should be interesting to look at. Okay, we got the question right. It kind of has an odd attack animation, because it just, like, jumps and its eyes go everywhere. I did not see how much we did. But, okay, so Scally did 2,177. We will see how much we do next time to decide which one is more powerful. So, do we do more than 2,000? Okay, so Jack-o-sprike is just a bit more powerful. So, yeah, it's definitely not a great pet for attacking, but it does look cool, which I do think that the attack animation is, it looks weird, but in a cool way. So now I'm going to show you the house item. Alright, so there is the house item right here. It does look kind of cool. I do like it somewhat because it just looks cool. This is a what I would call miscellaneous. You might call it stuffed animals or something. So yeah, that is going to go ahead and end up the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and